Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bugatti. This is a very emotional moment for us. An era is coming to completion. Today, we are celebrating an automotive icon, the Veyron. The supersports car that is benchmarked even today in its 10th year. The Veyron is the fastest production supersport car in the world. It has been tackled by many others. They tried to beat us, but it remains the undefeated champion. The story began 10 years ago when we presented the first Veyron 16.4.
Unbelievable piece of machinery on the planet, full stop.
Pure emotions, and ladies and gentlemen, now the first Veyron meets number 450, the Grand Sport La Finale.